Hey guys, welcome to my July 2020 bullet journal setup video. My theme for this month is subway maps, which was kind of a difficult theme to design spreads for, but I think they all turned out pretty neat. So this month's quote page is pretty much just text, so I tried to make it colorful and have interesting font designs. The quote says, "There is no journey, we are arriving and departing all at the same time," and it was said by David Bowie. For my calendar page this month, I got to use some interesting washi tape for the first time. I haven't used any washi tape in my journals so far, so I was excited to use it, and I found this tape on Etsy, and I will provide a link to it in the description box. So I titled this spread a mind map to fit with the theme, and basically it'll just sort of be my version of a brain dump page. So throughout the month I will fill out the destination bubbles with thoughts, ideas, maybe some words that I've learned this month, stuff like that. When mapping out this spread, I looked at a subway map for Beijing, just to give me sort of an idea of how to fit all of my lines together. These next two spreads are the spreads that I do for my Patreon and my patrons. So for the first page, I have the monthly ad that I draw that fits the theme of my journal. So for this month, I designed a stylized cat face out of subway map lines. And for some of the destinations, I put what I offer on my page. The second Patreon page is a thank you page, and I probably won't do it this way in the future. This is all of my patrons right now, and it took up a lot of time and too much space if as you can see, I can't really fit anybody else on here. So for the future, the thank you page will probably just be for new patrons. Thank you so much to Abigail, Gregory, Heather, Maya, Hakias, Mike, Ether, and Arminda. If you would like to see your name in my journal and in my videos, among other cool rewards such as personalized art and short stories, then you can sign up to become a patron at patreon.com/calicofiction, and I'll provide that link in the description box as well. Next is the last spread for this video, and it is my version of a combined trackers and weekly spreads. I use a Dutch door to give me room for each week of the month, and I have space for categorized to-do lists and then a page for journaling. Outside of the Dutch door to the left, I have my habit trackers. And this month I am tracking taking my meds, drinking water, moving, and creating. Outside of the Dutch door on the right side, I have my focus and mood trackers. The quote I chose for my focus this month is "God is on the journey too," which is a partial quote from Saint Teresa of Avila. I chose this quote to remind me to find divinity in mundane things throughout my life every day. has been my July 2020 bullet journal setup with my subway map theme. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself and maybe found some interesting new spreads to try, and I'll see you next time.